Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Every summer, I cannot wait to get out into the yard so that I can start hanging my clothes. I'm absolutely delighted with this Rotary clothesline from Bizvalue. This umbrella style clothesline has been so helpful for all of my clothes hanging needs. Number one, it is super heavy duty. I live in an area that gets extremely high winds, and this thing can handle it. I love that it spins really smoothly because as the wind shifts angles, it's able to accommodate that and be able to withstand those shifting winds. I can hang 4 to 5 regular size loads, and actually I could do more than that. It's just that I run out of clothespins before I run out of clothesline. Not only is the structure of the clothesline very stable, but the clothesline itself is really thick and very sturdy. I love hanging my clothes out to dry because it makes them smell so good, so fresh. But not just that, it is saving energy, and I love that it helps me slow down a little bit. So when I come out to hang my clothes, it helps me just to slow down and enjoy the day. I can't recommend this clothesline enough. It's absolutely exceeded my expectations, and that's my point of view.